Hey there, I'm Lokesh and today I'll get you started with your ZEISS ScanPort. In this getting started, I'll be teaching you how anyone can easily use the ZEISS ScanPort to scan a part. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There are also chapter segments. If you wish to skip ahead, let's get started. In a previous getting started video, we have seen that you can scan similar parts by reproducing the scan. This is one of the key elements of today's inspection, as the scanning execution should be intuitive and user-friendly as possible so anyone can use the system with one click. Let me show you how the combination of ZEISS, ScanPort and ZEISS Inspect software offers exactly that. We can use one of the predefined scanning templates. The good news is that these templates are optimized and will work for most of the parts you want to scan. Nothing to set up here, and the operator can place the part and start directly. But there are more possibilities. If you want to further enhance scanning, you can even define your own dedicated template with corresponding scanning sequence or customized angle, distance and shots. Let me show how you can set up this customized template and use it to run the ZEISS ScanPort in an easy way. Let us start the workflow by clicking the icon here. After you click, a dialog will open. As an underlying info, our software is always monitoring what is connected in the background. If at this stage your sensor is not initialized, the software will ask you to initialize the sensor first. Very convenient, right? We can use reference points if needed, but we can also scan without them. We have placed some reference points onto the rotation table and will use them, as this will also help to cut out the unneeded data automatically. Next to this, we can decide how many parts we want to place on the rotation table. In this case, we will put this casted part onto the rotation table. In a later video, we will explain multi-part scanning. We have no reference points on the part and we will continue our workflow. To make it easy for the operator, we can add additional instructions to the measuring setup. We can scan here the top and the bottom of this casted part. For this measuring setup, we only add the needed scan sequence by creating the position and using the widget below on the screen. Let's go ahead and set this up. When we have set the corresponding position from one side, we can continue with the other side. Now we see an overview of all the positions, including the possibility to run the measurement of the single or all the positions if you want to verify the sequence. This template together with its inspection can be opened in the operator kiosk mode. Let's go ahead and navigate to this mode. It enables anyone to easily capture 3D data just with one click, ensuring high reproducible scanning results with minimal variations between operations. The only thing the operator needs to do is to put the part onto the rotation table, fill in the needed data for reporting and initiate the scan. Here we go. The scan starts and all the data is automatically verified to ensure the integrity of the scan. Our software, ZEISS Inspect, is steering all these axes. This intuitive interface takes full control of the scanning process. While scanning is in progress, we have both hands free to do other tasks. If you want to scan the other side, we can turn the part and continue scanning. The software also automatically ensures that both sides of the part are aligned to each other, which results in digital twinning of the part. And here is the result, a nice and clean mesh. Let's go a step further and see the full inspection of the part. With the help of our inspection template, the software calculated the complete inspection in background and generates a report. The operator can verify the results by going through the report to approve or decline it. The ZEISS ScanPort is a mobile and flexible semi-automated system. It captures metrology-grade data with just one push of a button. It is an easy and ready-to-go tool without a challenging setup. It really simplifies and speeds up your workflow without the need for programming. The ZEISS ScanPort will make a difference for you, create a new opportunity and save time and money. If you experience anything different from what you have seen here, or if you have any other questions about your ZEISS ScanPort, please reach out to us via support@handsonmetrology.com. For more getting started information, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon.